Hello friends, in this lecture we learn about shape factor for various sections. Now we will see first shape factor for circular section. What is shape factor? Shape factor is ratio of plastic sectional modulus to elastic sectional modulus, or another definition of shape factor is it is ratio of plastic movement to elastic movement. Plastic movement to elastic movement. Already we have learned about plastic sectional modulus and elastic sectional modulus. Before that, let me just tell you something about neutral axis. In case of plastic analysis, we say that plastic neutral axis is the axis that divides the area into two equal parts. Whereas in case of elastic analysis, elastic neutral axis would be the axis which passes through centroid of the section. For symmetric section, plastic neutral axis is equal to elastic neutral axis. This is for symmetric section. For unsymmetric section, plastic neutral axis is not equal to elastic neutral axis. This is for unsymmetric section. Now we can find shape factor. Shape factor is equal to plastic sectional modulus to elastic sectional modulus. What is elastic sectional modulus for circular section? Elastic sectional modulus can be determined by I upon Y max, whereas I is moment of inertia of circular section, that is pi by 64 d raised to 4 upon Y max. Y max is equal to d by 2. This d and this d will get cancelled. Elastic sectional modulus is equal to pi d cube upon 32. This is elastic sectional modulus. Now we can find plastic sectional modulus. Plastic sectional modulus can be determined by A by 2 into y1 bar plus y2 bar, where y1 bar and y2 bar are the centroidal distances of upper and lower part of the section. y1 bar is the centroidal distance of semicircular section, that is equal to 4r upon 3 pi. y2 bar is equal to, this is also centroidal distance of semicircular section, that is equal to 4r upon 3 pi. In terms of d, we can written as 4d upon 6 pi, whereas r is equal to d by 2. Substitute the values of y1 bar and y2 bar in this equation, we get plastic sectional modulus. Zp is equal to, this A by 2 is area of half circle, that is equal to pi by 8 d square. This is area of half circle into y1 bar. What is y1 bar? y1 bar is equal to 2d upon 3 pi. y1 bar and y2 bar are similar. y1 bar is equal to 2d upon 3 pi plus y2 bar also 2d upon 3 pi. 2d upon 3 pi. Simplify this equation. Zp is equal to pi d square by 8 into 4d upon 3 pi. This pi and this pi will get cancelled. What is Zp? Zp is equal to 4 to the 8. Zp is equal to d cube upon 6. Now we can find shape factor. Shape factor is equal to, what is shape factor? Shape factor is equal to plastic sectional modulus to elastic sectional modulus. What is plastic sectional modulus? That is d cube by 6. This is plastic sectional modulus divided by elastic sectional modulus. What is elastic sectional modulus? Ze is equal to pi d cube by 32. Pi d cube by 32. This d cube and this d cube will get cancelled. Shape factor Z is equal to shape factor S is equal to 1 by 6 into 32 divided by pi. Simplify this equation, will get shape factor for circular section. Shape factor for circular section is equal to 1.69. This is shape factor for circular section. Thank you.